Hey, happy Wednesday. So today we are going to add fractions with unlike denominators. Here we have 3/5 plus 1/7. Now I'm going to show you two different methods of how we can find our common denominator and solve the problem. So the first way is we want to make sure that we find a common denominator, and in order to do that we want to put our numbers here into some overlapping circles. So over this one we're going to list our multiples of 5, and over this one we're going to do our multiples of 7. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And here we can list our multiples of 7. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And we can actually stop here because we see that we found a matching variable, 35. So then we go back to the problem and we say 5 times what is 35? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then we say 5 times 7. And whatever we do to the bottom, we need to make sure that we do to the top here. And we do the same thing. 7 times what is 35? So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we will multiply top and bottom by 5. Next, we just say 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1 times 5 is 5. And 7 times 5 is 35. Last but not least, because we did all of that work to find a common denominator, we are going to go ahead and leave that the same. So 35. And last but not least, the only thing that we do is we will add our tops, which is 21 plus 5 is 26. So our final answer is 26/35. That was one method. The other method is doing the same thing. So we have our 3/5 plus 1/7. And one way to do this is we want to make sure that the numbers across from each other, we can multiply them. So we say 7 times 5 is 35. And we say 5 times 7 is 35. Then we multiply across and we say 7 times 3 is 21. And 5 times 1 is 5. And of course, back to the final step where we had before, we simply just add our two numbers. 21 plus 5 is 26/35. There you have it.